All right, so Sir Kensington's gochujang everything sauce obviously goes great on everything. But what about in everything? This is gonna be the base inside our batter to our Korean fried cauliflower. All right, so for the batter, I've got chickpea flour. Chickpea flour is just a little bit lighter. It's obviously made out of ground chickpeas instead of oats like flour. Delicious, light, and crispy. I'm gonna add a big pinch of salt. Crack open a beer. Please don't get all over me. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it again. Gotta make sure it's the right beer. It's the right beer. All right, so I'm gonna go about a 1/4 cup of beer right in. The bubbles in the beer, and actually the yeast in the beer, helps kind of levitate and lighten this batter. The gochujang sauce has things like tamari, it's got salt, it's got garlic, it's got onion, it's got everything in it. So it's only gonna kind of spike this batter, and you want a lot of it. This isn't just like, oh, there's a little bit of this everything sauce in it. This is the batter. All right, give it a good whisk. Look at the color, man. Look at the color! This is what you're looking for, right? Like this big, long noodle of a batter. This means this is the right texture. It's like a thin pancake batter. All right, so cauliflower is an alien-looking thing. The way to break it down is really simple. Cut it down the top and cut them again. Then, I kind of sneak my knife in and cut the florets off and just kind of break them into bite-sized pieces. The trick is you want them to all kind of be the same size. That way they fry at the same time. All right, but you're left with these cores, which you don't want to throw away. So just click them off, same size as all the rest of them, and they'll fry up beautifully. So I'm gonna just kind of take the cauliflower, give it a little swim, and in we go. Yummy, yummy, in my tummy. All right, so after they're dropped in, I give them about 2-3 minutes until they're GBD, golden, brown, and delicious. I totally missed it again. So you want to season it right out of the hot oil. That way the salt kind of sticks to the batter. Grab your favorite dipping sauce. In my case, Sir Kensington Ranch. Dude, you can just smell the gochujang sauce inside the actual batter itself. Unbelievable. You have to try this at home.